Hey guys, it's Gisselle. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, I am doing a what I got for Christmas video. I do want to say a huge disclaimer is that Christmas is not about the presents. I love the holidays. I get to spend time with my family and I get to spend time with like my second family and I just love it so much. So this is just a video that like I know I'm gonna get requested, and I don't do what I got for Christmas every single year. I do it like every other year, just kind of when I have time, and I obviously don't have time, but I'm gonna try and make it work for you guys. If you're watching this video, it's probably because I uploaded it somewhere that's not in my house. If I look rough, it's because it is Christmas Eve, almost 11. I am filming this early just because I am traveling all day tomorrow, so I'm just trying to get this up for you guys while I have good lighting and everything. So let's get started with this video. Okay, so this first gift is from my family, and I put the difference, so it's like a whole thing. I don't know. I like having gifts that I can keep forever, and I mentioned that in my Christmas gift guide video. So I did get something from Tiffany's. I always get asked kind of what I want for Christmas. I decided on this. I like how they put a red bow on it. Really cute. Actually, I retied it just because I always make sure that everything's okay, but it's super cute. Tiffany's box. This is my third thing from Tiffany's. I open it like this. The Tiffany's thing, and obviously the Tiffany's card that says how to take care of sterling silver. So then we untie it. I love these Tiffany things. I think they're so cute. So this is really different compared to everything I have from Tiffany's. It's really dainty, and that's what I love about it. So this is what the bracelet looks like. It's a return to Tiffany's beaded bracelet. It looks like rose gold, but it's not. I think it's called Rebode. I'm not sure. I'll put the name down below. It's really super cute. This is in the small size, and it's just really cute. I can't wait to wear it. I'm not gonna put it on obviously right now because I'm gonna take it off in a bit. When you close it up, it does look like this. You guys know I do have a return to Tiffany's necklace, but it is all sterling silver. This is sterling silver with bravado, and it looks like it has rose gold. I just can't wait to wear it. So this next gift, I'm gonna go with this really sentimental gift that I actually got today, and my friend had the idea, and I just really love it because she always says that I tell her she never gets me sentimental gifts. So it is this DIY snow globe with a picture of my friend Adeline, who came up with the idea, and then there's me and our friend Jessica. We're like the three little musketeers. That's what we like to call each other. You shake it up, and you see little pieces in there, just, you know, swirling around. So cute. Thank you so much for adding the little bow on there. Super cute. Can't wait to have this on my desk. I love it so much. This picture was actually on my wall, which now I need to replace. So thank you so much, Adeline. I love it so much. From her and her family, which I consider one of my second families because I've known them my entire life. And holidays, whenever my family and I don't go to Mexico, we spend it with them. So they got me a $25 Starbucks gift card, which is awesome because I was actually running low on Starbucks money. I'm just excited because I love Starbucks so much, so can't wait to use this. From the third musketeer, which is Jessica. You guys know her from other videos or my Instagram. She bought me ramen, and I love ramen. And so I definitely was like, you know what, I will gladly take that as a Christmas present. So thank you so much for the ramen. The next things I got is from my friend Bree, which if you guys saw my gift guide video, you guys know that Bree is the person who makes custom gifts based on everyone. So I really like it, and you guys will see exactly what she does. So first, Bree got me an AirPods case. She knows that I bought AirPods, so she got me this case from Amazon, I think. It's super cute. It's pink, and it has this little puff ball on it, and I just love it. I didn't have a case on my AirPods, so thank you so much, Bree, because now they're protected, and I know that they're mine. I also have tons of things to put on your AirPods so that they don't fall and you have them on you, but I don't know if I'm going to use that. Perhaps if I ever work out. Then she got me two shirts from American Eagle. So she got me this shirt right here, and they're my size. They're super soft. This one's a gray shirt, and then she got me a light baby blue shirt with a v-neck. I really like this actually, so I can't wait to wear it. Super soft. Again, thank you so much, Bree. Like, I feel like I could sleep in those. She got me a card that I read, and I love how she always customizes, like I said, everything. Bree also got me aloe infused ultra comfort socks. These are fuzzy socks, and I love fuzzy socks. She watched my video, she told me, so thank you, Bree, for the fuzzy socks. She got me Soap and Glory hand cream, and I think I have one of these and I really liked it, but by the time like that I wanted to use more of it, it had gone expired. So thank you so much. I need lotion all the time. My hands are super dry. She also got me a pack of Kit Kats. If you guys don't know, some of my favorite chocolates are Kit Kats, so thank you so much for the Kit Kats. Brie also got me this cup that says Joy, and it's all foggy because it's in my fridge, and it has a bunch of Ferrero Rochers in there, which are also my favorite chocolate ever. So thank you so much, Brie. She knows this, and she gets them for me every single year, so thank you. So on to the next gift. So this was a white elephant gift. Basically everything else is a white elephant gift in this. Sorry Jessica, your mom told me that she was gonna try to steal it for you, but I took it. So it is this little camera picture frame, which I really like. But you guys know that I love YouTube and love cameras, so this is so cute and perfect, and I can't wait to set it on my desk because it's just so cute. The next gift is this one right here. This one my dad got, but obviously like I'm gonna keep it. So anyways, it is this hot pink sack thermos. Again, I'm gonna keep it. I don't know why it has this little sticker on it, but we'll take it off. I'm excited. I love hot pink things, so this is just really awesome. And then a little bar of Kit Kats, which I really like, so that works too. The next thing is another white elephant gift, and this is from Philosophy. There was a Christmas PJ party that I went to with a lot of local influencers, which was really fun. If you guys go on my Instagram, you'll see a lot of pictures from there. So we played white elephant, and I got stuck with this, but honestly I'm really excited about it, so I'm not mad. It is the Sugar Plum Fairy. It's a shampoo, shower gel, and bubble bath, which is awesome. I haven't used it yet, but like I can't wait to use it once I like get back from break because I'm not about to take this to Mexico. I just got a whiff of it. It smells so good. Thank you to the person who bought this because my hair's about to be smelling amazing. Last but not least, we got little party favors from there. Actually, this was from White Elephant. Someone had stolen my gift and then she didn't need all these lip balms, so she let me have one of them. So it is an Eos Lip Balm, and I think this one's in, I'm not sure, but I love Eos Lip Balm, so I will be taking this with me. We got a Kula Mineral Sunscreen Unscented Matte Tint. I think this is a primer or just sunscreen for your face in general, so that's pretty cool. We have a DIY Detox Mask Matcha Mint. Looks like this. That is so cute. DIY Detox Mask. Super cute. Can't wait to use this when I come back as well. Okay, there's like one more thing in here. So it is this Give It a Glow Life-Changing Skincare. I'm assuming it's a sample thing. It is a daily cleansing mask and a lip renewing serum and an intensive renewing serum. So it looks like this. So honestly, thank you so much to everyone who gifted me something. It's just, I'm really appreciative of it. I never expect anyone to gift me anything. To me, just being like around my friends and family honestly is like the best thing ever. But I really do appreciate everything that I received this year. So now I have to go because I have to get some sleep before tomorrow. But I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas or happy holidays, whatever you celebrate. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.